Most people get this wrong. They think building credit is instant. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is expecting fast results without understanding the timeline. In this video, you'll learn exactly how long it takes to build credit in 2026 and what actually speeds it up or slows it down. Let's start with the simple truth. Building credit is not about days. It is about behavior over time. Most people start seeing meaningful credit activity within 3 to 6 months, but a strong credit profile usually takes longer. Now here's where it gets interesting. The timeline depends heavily on what you are starting with. If you are starting from zero, like Alex who has no credit history at all, it usually takes about 6 months to generate your first credit score. That is because credit bureaus need at least some payment history before scoring you. But here's the problem. Many people assume that once they get a score, they are already good. In reality, that is just the beginning stage. Now, let's break it down further. In the first 3 months, you are simply building data. Things like opening a credit card or using a credit builder account start reporting activity. Between 3 to 6 months, you may see your first official score. This is when lenders can start evaluating you. For someone like Jake, this is the stage where small habits matter the most. One missed payment or high balance can slow everything down. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to move from a low score to a good score without waiting years. Between 6 months and 1 year, you can build a fair to good credit profile if you are consistent. This is where payment history starts to strengthen your profile. Now let's talk about the faster path. If you already have credit, building improvement can happen in as little as 1 to 3 months depending on what you change. For example, John reduced his credit utilization and saw a score increase within 1 billing cycle. That shows how fast credit can react when behavior changes. But here's what most people miss. Credit building is not a straight line. It moves in steps. Sometimes your score stays flat, then suddenly jumps when key factors update. After 1 year of consistent behavior, most people can reach a solid good credit range if they avoid major mistakes like missed payments or maxed out cards. Let's simplify everything. It takes about 6 months to get a credit score, 1 year to build decent credit, and multiple years to reach excellent credit if you stay consistent. The speed depends on 3 things: payment history, credit utilization, and time. Let's summarize everything clearly. Building credit in 2026 is not instant, but it is predictable. Start from zero, expect 6 months for a score, and around 1 year for solid improvement if you stay consistent. If this helped you understand the real credit timeline, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit guides like this.